In today's video, I will walk you through how to change Shopify store name and URL. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. To begin, look toward the bottom left corner of the Shopify admin panel and open the Settings section. This area contains your main store configuration settings, including store details, payment settings, domains, and other account options connected to your Shopify store. Inside Settings, continue by selecting the General section. After opening the General Settings page, locate the area labeled Store Details. This is where Shopify displays the current store name connected to your account. Now click into the store name field and replace the existing name with the updated one you want to use for your business. Take a moment to enter the name carefully so it appears correctly throughout your storefront and inside your Shopify dashboard. Once the new store name has been entered, continue by saving the changes. After the settings are saved, Shopify will apply the updated name to your account. Next, to change your Shopify store URL, move to the left side menu and open the Domains section. This is where Shopify manages the domain settings connected to your store, including the default Shopify address and any additional custom domains you may already have connected. Inside the Domains page, you will see your myshopify.com domain listed. If you want to update this address, locate the option labeled Change next to the current Shopify URL and select it to continue. Shopify allows the myshopify.com domain to be changed only one time, so review the new URL carefully before confirming the update. Enter the new store URL you want to use, and continue through the confirmation process provided by Shopify. You may also notice other connected domains listed in this section if you already use a custom domain for your storefront. The Domains area is where all connected website addresses are managed for your Shopify store. After the updates are completed, Shopify will apply the new store name and updated URL settings to your account. The new name will appear throughout your dashboard and storefront, while the updated URL settings will appear inside the Domains section. If you ever need to make additional changes later, you can return to the same settings areas at any time. The General section controls the store name, while the Domains section manages the Shopify URL and connected domains. And that is the complete process for changing your Shopify store name and URL. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.